So what are the options if a patient comes in and you can't save their teeth? They have a full mouth of extractions, but they don't want a denture. And then there's the denture crowd. They come in and they want teeth again. So what are their options when it comes to dental implants?
Well, the option is very similar in both cases. If they have a full mouth of teeth but that are bad, that have to come out, they have to come out. Or if they have dentures and they're not happy with the dentures because they keep falling or they're uncomfortable, basically the option is putting a couple of implants in, and then you have a removable appliance that's attached to the implants, and it's pretty good. It stays in place pretty well. It does require some maintenance, shall we say. It does come in and out, but I'd rather do it, I'd rather do it a little bit more thoroughly. I'd rather put a couple more implants in, maybe 4 implants, and then we put a full arch of teeth in. It never comes out. It's permanent. It's like their own teeth. It looks beautiful. They can chew anything. There's nothing on the roof of their mouth. There's no plastic on the roof of their mouth. There is in a denture. And these patients uniformly love it. It's just a whole different world.
So no more dentures, no more traditional dentures.
No more traditional dentures. It's
so
great.
On just 4 implants, they could have a full arch of teeth on the bottom and the top.
Absolutely.
How old can you be to get this done?
You can be any age. We've done it in people in their 90s, certainly 80s, 70s, and some people lose their teeth young, even in their 20s or 30s. So there's no age restriction at all.
And they can eat whatever they want.
They can eat whatever they want, and they look great. Changes their look, changes their life. It's great.